Select the Edit tab and add your video clip in timeline. Then select the Effects tab and here select Titles. Now drag and add this text plus above your video clip. Now we have to make the text clip same as our video clip, just like this. Now select the text clip and here enable inspector. Now write here your text and select here your text font family according to your needs, and you can change your text color from here and you can adjust your text size as well. Then go to the shading tab. Here select element, second element, and enable it. Under properties, appearance, we have to select this third option. Then click this level drop down and select line. Now scroll down, click this color field and select a background color for your text. And now adjust this opacity. If you want to extend your text background, you can just increase this extend vertical option. Once you're happy, scroll up and select the layout tab. And now from here align your text bottom and drag this center X value right to make your text completely hide, just like this. And then come to your timeline and make sure to place this playhead at the start of your text clip, and then enable this keyframe next to center, and then move the playhead at the end of your text clip. Make sure to select the text clip and here under layout, now this time we have to move this X volume left side until your text completely goes to left hand side, just like this. Now let's play our final video, and here we can see I've successfully added a horizontal scrolling text. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.